umlungiswa kaMabaso, MMC Human Settlements in the city. Today sise Lufering extension 11. La khona besenze allocation of 163 houses that have been completed. So siyabonga nje ukuthi finally we have started ama allocations la. Ngicabanga ukuthi umphakathi wase Soweto and the neighboring community they are well aware ukuthi besinezindlu la since 2020 ezakhandwa zangaphela because of infrastructure issues ayekhona la engicabanga ukuthi ke siwazile ke ukwa resolve as much as singakawa finalize onke ama issues akhona because sisadila ne issue yokukhanda ama reservoirs ne issue ye alternative energy ezokwazi ukuenergize wonke lama units lawa, but ke we are happy ukuthi finally at least a portion of these houses that have been incomplete for quite some time have been completed. So this is one of the city's mega developments, ring fence funding yayo. So working together with the provincial government for funding a top structure, we have been able to successfully complete Lama units that have been incomplete for quite some time. So we are very happy with the progress, and we are happy which are beneficiaries today, our 163 awazile ukuthi athole izindlu zawo, and the commitment which is complete the additional incomplete houses ikhona, umsebenzi saqhubeka on the ground, and we believe ukuthi singathatha isikhathi eside kakhulu so bese sibuyile futhi sizo allocate abantu lana ke maningi ama projects esinawo eJohannesburg. We've got a lot of mega developments njengoba si-allocate lana, akhona namanye ama mega developments la sikhanda khona izindlu with an intention ukuthi sipushe nje i-housing backlog yethu abantu baseJohannesburg bekwazi ukubona ukuthi ngempela we are serious about addressing and tackling the housing backlog that we've been battling with since 1996.
Igama lami nguNelisiwe Masikane, ngishade noBaba Mabheka Masikane. Namhlanje I'm very happy ngokuthola umuzi. uNkulunkulu angazi ngambonga ngithini, abase housing uNkulunkulu ababusise kakhulu ngento abasenzele yona namhlanje. Ngithola umuzi onejaridi elikhulu omuhle. Ngihappy ngalendlela ukuthi angikhoni nokubamba inyembezi zami ezokunjabula akuzona ezokukhala nje ezenjabulo ngendlela engijabule ngakhona. Abantu base housing bangenzele ubulungiswe engabazi ukuthi ngathini, so ngiyacela nakwabanye ukuthi babekezele. Ngilami ngibekezele from 1996 njobe izophuma namhlanje, nabanye ngicela ukuthi babekezele bazi ukuthi ekugcineni kodwa uNkulunkulu uzobenza ubulungiswa. Ngiyabonga.